mount up.
Hi there. Why don't you give me one of your real country style rib combo meals with the Dr. Pepper?
Okay, did you want that small, medium, or large?
Medium is fine.
Okay, what would you like to drink?
Dr. Pepper?
Okay. Would that complete your order?
Yes. And I'd rather have the, what is it? I don't want curly fries. Crinkle.
Okay, the crinkle fries?
Yeah.
Alright.
And that should be it. Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Out here doing another review. This time, I went to Arby's and I ordered their real country style rib sandwich. So just from the picture, it looks like it comes with obviously pork rib meat, some kind of cheese. Looks like breaded onions, I would guess, and then barbecue sauce on a looks like a nice pretzel bun maybe. But anyhow, let's pull it out, see if it looks anything like that picture there. So of course I got crunchy fries. I'm not a curly fry kind of guy, so nice and warm, just the way I like it. All right, so here comes in one of their boxes. See, it says half pound of meat, rib meat, I guess. I don't know. And let's open it up. Show you what the inside looks like. So definitely got some ribs on it. Does have the onions, some kind of smoked cheese it looks like, and barbecue sauce. So let's take it out of the box here. Has a little protective wrap that you can hold on to it with. So nice. Looks like. Try to hold it in the same angle that picture was in. Nice soft bun. Yeah, I'm just going to take a bite of the rib meat. Wow. Get that out of the way. Has a real smoky flavor to it. Yeah. Definitely smoky. You know, it's all right. The meat flavor is there. I'm trying to think of what it tastes like. I mean, it definitely tastes like pork, but very smoky flavor. And now we'll just pull one of these grilled onions, breaded onions off. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. Try a little bit of the cheese by itself. Not picking up on what kind of cheese that is, but anyway, now let's try to see if we can get a bite with the barbecue sauce, onions, cheese, and rib meat. Barbecue sauce is good, very sweet, little tang, but not much. Yeah. And I do like the grilled onions with the breading on them. Those are good. Yeah. So that meat, you know, maybe I don't know, it's 12 o'clock, So I thought maybe I'd hit them up right at lunchtime. And the meat is not extremely warm. I mean, it's not cold, but it's just not hot. And has some kind of, you know, has a real smoky flavor, which is good as far as the meat goes. I like for some reason, the way those onions are, grilled onions with the breading. That name is just skipping me right now, but it's good. I like those. I like their barbecue sauce. Their bun, super, super soft. I do like that. You know, like I've always said, I like sweet over spicy, and their barbecue sauce is definitely sweet. Could have used more of that. The quantity of meat is pretty good. Oh, it looks like it's got mayonnaise on it too. There's mayonnaise on it, which is fine. They just do a little smattering of mayonnaise. Really not picking up any of the cheese, so maybe it's a combination, you know, with the pork meat and the smokiness of it with the grilled onions and the barbecue sauce. It's overpowering that cheese. So I'm really not getting much of a cheese flavor. Yeah, that mayonnaise and barbecue sauce definitely complement each other real well. So the meat is very uniform in its cuts and its slices. It's almost, it almost has like a ham taste to me, not so much of a rib taste. But it's good. Very smoky, which is good. Barbecue sauce is really, yeah, this cheese, I just cannot. I'll have to do some research, see if it says what kind of cheese they use on it. The barbecue sauce is good, mayonnaise is good, the bun is real soft. I like the bun. And the pork, it's got good flavor. It's very smoky flavor, but that's good. Sorry. But I'm not getting any of that cheese, which is, you know, it was just on there. Maybe everything else is overpowering it. It looked like it was some kind of smoked cheese. Definitely tasted like barbecue, you know, like a smoked chunk of meat with barbecue sauce on it and stuff. So, yeah, it's not bad. Real country style ribs. Yeah, it almost looks like it's Gouda, but I didn't get that heavy Gouda flavor off of it. Definitely good. So I got the combo, and I told them I wanted, I guess they call them crinkly fries. I'm not a curly fry guy, so I got the crinkly fries, and they're, you know, nicely salted. I like salt. Great, you know, they taste very good, along with the Dr. Pepper. And I think this is their medium size. I think it was like $10.59 for if you just ordered the small or regular, whatever they want to call it, combo meal with the rib sandwich. Because I upsized it, I think it with tax and everything, it was like $12.50. Yeah, and it wasn't bad. You know, I do like their beef and cheddars. I think that's what they built their reputation on, is their beef meat. But this rib was worth it. Yeah, compare it to something, fast food, the McRib from McDonald's. Boy, this actually, looks more like real meat than a McRib does. Flavor-wise, I would still have to go with the McRib, but this was good, especially if you like the, a smokier type flavor, because that, I don't know, it'd be interesting to find out how they do that, because definitely had a good smoke flavor, and plenty of meat on it. It was good. I'm not gonna say it wasn't. Yeah, would I order it again? Probably not. It wasn't, wow, greatest thing on earth. No, it wasn't that, but it was good. If I go, like I said, if I go there, I'm gonna go there for beef and cheddar. Yeah, that was worth trying. I recommend that you go out and try it. Maybe next I'll go try their new brisket sandwich. It was like when I pulled up to the order spot, it's like, do I want brisket or do I want the pork rib? And I just had brisket yesterday. We did a cook and I cooked a brisket, so I was a little tired of brisket, if that's possible. Anyhow, I wanted to try their pork, and yeah, I recommend you go try it. It was good. It has great flavor. Mine, like I said, I really taste the smoke in it. I like those breaded grilled onions that they put on it. The barbecue sauce was sweet. It was pretty good, and the bun was super soft. The cheese, like I said, really couldn't taste the cheese. So when I get somewhere, I'll look up and see if they say what the ingredients in it are, and I'll get that on this video. But other than that, that was my quick little review of the new Arby's Real Country Rib Sandwich. I'm gonna finish up these fries, and like I always say, you can do this too. It's not that hard. Thank you for watching. Grill on, everybody. You can make a better sandwich at home. Just saying. Till next time.